Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will do a very easy Maa Durga painting in acrylics. I have attempted to make this painting 3 times and finally figured out the best and the easiest way to teach y'all. So without waiting, let's get started. I've taken a canvas and I have traced Goddess Durga's photo on it. If you would like to get a tutorial on tracing, let me know under the comments and I'll make it for you. So I'm mixing acrylic gel with some yellow color, some tomato red color and some white color. I'm using a palette knife in the beginning and later with the brush, but if you want, you can do this step with your brush. So I am first applying the white color. And then yellow. And now with the red color. Now again, with the help of a bright red color, which is a different shade of red, we will now be creating the layers, or you can say the highlights. Now let's take some yellow and again apply the highlights to brighten up those parts of the face. Also friends, this is my first tutorial which I'm beginning as a daily challenge. So kindly stay with me by subscribing to my channel so that we can do this daily challenge together. And also I have another playlist. Kindly check that out. That is for the kids who are in the age group of 5 to 10. Also friends, I have traced this image on the canvas. If you want this image reference, do send me an email on my email address that's mentioned under the description box and I will be happy to send you that. Now I have taken the brush and I have dipped it in water and taken white, so it will give a very transparent white highlights to the face. Now I have taken a wet brush and taken black on it, and I will be shading it as shadows. Now with black, I am applying the outlining and the designs. Once we have outlined everything, let's make the eyes. And once the white part is dry, we will apply the ornaments in red. Now with grey color, we will be making the iris. And with white color, this will be the highlight. Now I'm applying some glitter glue or transparent glue, and then I will be sticking on some loose glitters onto it. So spreading it out. And with a pressing motion, you have to press down the glue so that it sticks. Now it's the time for some final touches. So with the red color again, I'm applying one more coat near the nose area to give it a dark shadow. And on the lips. Alright, sign it and make it yours. I hope you liked today's very easy tutorial. If you do, then kindly stay tuned to my channel, and for that kindly like, comment and share this video and subscribe to my channel please. So thank you very much to visit my channel Easy Paintings by Ishita. Y'all have a lovely day. Bye bye.